So I finally gave up all my hope with my gym and I cancelled my membership. I was very unhappy with the way my gym was handling the COVID situation, and it forced me to make a gym of my own inside my home. So this is one of the unusual videos. I'm not talking about studying, working or living in the US. Instead, I'm talking about my frustrations with the way gyms were being handled, that I decided to build my own gym, a small gym at my own home. Because of this COVID situation, my gym, which was LA Fitness here, had closed down, and they were closed for about 2 to 3 months. When they opened, when I started going back to the gym again, I saw that people were not taking proper precautions. A month and a half ago, when I went to my LA Fitness gym, they had a board outside saying that masks are mandatory. But once you enter the gym, I saw that people were not really following any instructions. Then I went and complained to that gym instructor, and he did nothing. He just heard what I said and he just went about his business. And when I went there again after 2 weeks, again the same story. Nothing was changing and people were not really following any precautions. Because of that, I asked that person at the entrance to cancel my membership. He asked me to come the next day, and when I did, the manager spoke with me and asked why I'm canceling my membership. When I informed her why, she said they can do nothing about it. I said, just walk with me, just look at the people and you can just ask them to put their masks on. All she said was, these people are adults and we cannot interfere, even though we have these restrictions, but if people don't follow, what can we do? Now, this is a recipe for disaster. If you cannot enforce rules, then why even make those rules? And because of that, I decided to go ahead and cancel my membership. Now, because I could not go to my gym anymore, I involved myself in a lot of cardio. Therefore, I picked up a new hobby, which is going on bike rides. So that is my bike, and I ride it for many miles a day. In fact, 4 or 5 days ago, I rode my bike for 21 miles. I broke my own records. And now I ordered a pull-up machine, which I believe is this, and then a gym chair. So now let me show you the equipment that I already had at home. So I already had these 15-pound dumbbells, then I also had these 20-pound dumbbells, and then I also had this push-up instrument. This is actually quite tough when using. So now unboxing my pull-up bar. I bought this pull-up bar on Amazon. Here is where you can see which pull-up bar I bought. Okay, so this is a pull-up bar. I need to figure out how to use this at home. Okay, so apparently it comes out like this. It's not too hard to pull it out. Okay, so here is the pull-up bar, and along with the pull-up bar they have given these 2 strings for another different kind of exercises. And then they also have these hooks, which I believe you can put into this and then attach those strings and you can work out. I will show you how to use that. So let me just try and figure out how to attach this pull-up bar. Oh, okay. I need to adjust this here. So I have this internet cable that runs all over here, so I don't want to damage it, so I will take that cable out a little bit. This thing, the wire is above this, or else it might damage my wire. I'll have to do this here as well. Okay. No. Okay. So now my internet wire in my home is going about this, and this looks like it is stable, and then I will need to attach these strings here. So far this has been super easy to set up. Okay, this is the string. Very easy to do. And then there is this hook right here. That's where this thing will go. And that's it. That's it. So let me just try and see how this thing works. And there you go. Perfect, right? Now, let us try and look at the real purpose of this machine, which is trying to go for pull-ups. See, the thing is that at the gym, I use assisted pull-ups because I do not yet have that strength to lift my own weight. I can do that, but maybe once or twice. But in the gym, you can actually reduce your weight on the other side and reduce the amount of weight you are lifting. I usually reduce the weight by about 25 to 40 pounds, so that when I'm lifting my entire weight, the muscles are lifting 25 to 40 pounds less of weight than how much I weigh. Now let us try and do some pull-ups. I have no idea how many pull-ups I will be able to do. It will need a bit more practice. I have clearly lost my practice. See, what had been happening is that since the March of this year, the gyms were closed and I lost quite a bit of my muscle mass. So it is going to be quite challenging to get back to the groove again. So with this pull-up bar, the only issue I see is that once that pull-up bar is installed, you cannot really close the door. But I'm sure that taking this pull-up bar out is as easy as it was to install. I think all you need to do is that's it, that easy. Put it back. Done. So now I will open my gym bench, which I bought from Amazon, and I ordered it more than a month ago. Only now it was delivered. Okay, and then this can adjust how much you want to slant, so it can go all the way to even slanting little downwards, and then you can actually pull it up to about 10 degrees further down, I think. Okay, this is perfect. So now let me just sit and do a couple of mock exercises here. So this gym chair is so nice and so convenient to use. And the kind of exercises you can do on this gym chair at home, you cannot do that on your couch or even your work desk, right? Because it has wheels and it pushes around. So now, in addition to that, I have this 35-pound dumbbell, which is very heavy, and it will take a while for me to get back to that level of strength. Then I used to be able to lift 35-pound dumbbells for bicep curls very easily. So now, you can also do nice sit-ups sitting on this bench, and you can actually do biceps and a lot of other kind of exercises. For example, I forget what this exercise is called. I like to use much heavier weights. For example, this 35 pounds, I prefer at least 60 pounds for this exercise, which works on your shoulder. It looks like this. Like that. And so I can do quite a bunch of exercises at home, even when you do not have a gym membership. Now when it comes to push-ups, right? This push-up machine can actually come very handy. So what if your gym doesn't follow the rules? You can still work out at home, right? So this is the push-up machine, and it takes a while to get used to it again, but this actually really challenges you when you're trying to do push-ups. So here, I think how it goes. Something like that. I'm breaking out into sweat already. So yeah, this is my home gym. I can actually sit on this gym bench and do a whole bunch of exercises. I can use that pull-up bar and I can do these push-ups at home, so I don't need to go to gym anymore. And I think it will be a great idea to have your own gym at home. Then you don't have to keep spending money at the gym, especially when it is actually not very safe at the gym. So naturally, one question would be worth wondering is that how much did this entire setup cost me? See, my membership at LA Fitness, I don't remember how much exactly it was. I think it was $50 to $60. So taking the lower limit, $50 a month would cost $600 a year at least, right? On the top of that, traveling to the gym and coming back, you would burn some gas in your car. So based on that, you can estimate that the gym membership can cost anywhere between, let's say, $700 to $900 a year, depending on what kind of gym you go to and how far that gym is and so on. Now compared to that, how much did it cost me to have this basic setup at my own home? So I will discuss every single expense that I had made. So first thing first, these gym gloves cost me $11.99. Now the reason that I use these gloves is that when you're lifting heavy, right, your palm can get roughed up. So this actually protects your palm. Now apart from this, I also have these wrist sweatbands, which is this, right? So this cost me, I think, $6.99, so $7. These sweatbands. Okay. Next thing are the gym shirts. See, what used to happen is that I used to wear normal t-shirts in the gym, but then I saw that those cotton shirts actually stick to your body once you sweat a lot. Therefore, I bought these 6 gym shirts that cost me a total of $48. Each shirt cost me around $8. The next thing I got was this gym mat, so that you can actually put it on the floor and you don't spoil the home carpet. This mat cost me close to $19, $18 and some cents, almost $19. With taxes, it was close to $20. Then this pull-up bar cost $79.99. After taxes, it cost somewhere between $85 to $90. This gym bench cost around $190, and after taxes, it cost somewhere between around $200. Then next is this 35-pound dumbbell, which is very heavy. Each dumbbell cost me $70, total $140. I think the same thing at a fair price at any good store would cost you around $100. Then the 20-pound dumbbell cost me $70, and the 15-pound dumbbell cost me $60. And the last thing is this push-up machine. This push-up machine cost me around $30, and after taxes, somewhere between $30 and $35. So the total expenses that I had were between $650 and $700. But remember, this is hopefully one-time investment. Once you have bought them, these will stay with you for life, right? Do you think this will get rotten or this will go bad? No, right? All these things will actually help if you can spend that much, and then you can use them for a very long time. So I guess this will be a standard view of my living room, because right in my living room, right next to my TV, will now be a gym bench, a whole bunch of dumbbells, and that push-up machine, and there I have that pull-up bar, and the home gym is complete. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind, and God bless America.